What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Scooby fam. We got my boy Mitch here today. All right, guys, so we're gonna be doing a quick detail on Sylvie and Scooby today. Sadly, I do want to show you guys something. The other day, me and him were driving, we went on a little date, and we do have the carbon thing, and it effing got destroyed, guys. Sad days, 400 bills down the drain, but my boy Mitch coming in clutch with an OEM one, so we can get that on there, at least for now. So shout out to my boy Mitch, always coming in clutch. So let's get Sylvie backed up, let's get Scooby pulled into the middle, let's start washing Scooby, get her all nice. So let's get to it. Oh, there we go, Kit. So I'll start Scooby just so she can warm up while I back Sylvie out real quick. Alright guys, check this out. Scooby's cold start is actually nothing compared to Sylvie's. Nothing. These things are pollen, so much pollen on them. Oh, to be honest, Scooby kind of sounds mean too. It is hot in there. Being all black in the interior. Now that it's getting warmer outside, it is hot. All right, let's get Scooby pulled into the mid. It is hot. Holy. All right, guys, we do already have our buckets. Shout out to Chemical Guys. Always rock with Chemical Guys, most of their stuff. I'm gonna grab the hose. Minty mint. Nice. I love the gold wheels, dude. I love that. All right, guys. So we did have to wrap things up with Scooby because, you know, my break was over. We do have Sylvie pulled up already. We do have the foam cannon going, so let's get to it. All right. Sylvie's all foamed up. Let's get to scrubbing. I wasn't a big fan of the silver, but I swear, the more I clean this car, the more I like the silver. Stays clean longer, looks awesome. All right, guys, so fast forward to the next day. Obviously, you know, I've been doing things, you know, after work, in between my break and stuff, but we do have both the cars nice and clean, M's STI and Scooby. M is behind the camera recording. Mitch did have to go, obviously, because it is the next day, but we're gonna start both cars up for you guys, get you guys, you know, some clips of exactly how they're sounding, how they're looking, because we're pretty happy with, you know, the way things are coming along right now, so let's get to it. So guys, the difference between my car and Emma's car, obviously I do have the turbo and this thing's on ethanol, but I have the NVIDIA high flow catted downpipe and hers is the catless. So that's gonna be the difference between the two, with obviously I have injectors and it's on ethanol with the FP Blue turbo, but other than that, pretty much same exhaust system. Hers doesn't have a cat, mine has a high flow cat.
Looking so clean.
Let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. I think Sylvie definitely needs some side skirts and a diffuser. Definitely needs a carbon wheel, a head unit, but I don't know. I really don't. Let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. Literally, guys, one day, the cars are full of pollen already. Literally full of pollen. Literally pissing me off, but it's alright. What are you gonna do? We're getting warm weather.
Sylvie has been left behind. Here she comes, Sylvie girl. Woo! Pops everywhere. She comes.
What do you think? Sylvie screams, no?
I can't even help myself but smile when I hear this car.
I know, literally. Let me know though, guys. The cars are coming together, man. We're super satisfied with it. Sylvie's looking great. The fitment is awesome. Scooby looks sweet on bags. I do have to get that new generator that Mitch gave me on. I'll get to that, but it's looking clean.
So much fun. Brandon's better at driving and recording, so I'm like, you do the driving, I'll do my best to record. Hopefully it was good.
Let us know, guys.
Which one you driving?
Emmy's going back inside. Thanks, Emmy, for the help.
Welcome.
Appreciate it. Time for lunch. But yeah, guys, let us know, man. Let us know in the comments what you guys think we should be, you know, dropping some videos on, doing. I'm thinking we're gonna, you know, get a POV video going with both of us soon. A nice little cruise. But remember, guys, if you're liking all the content and you like the channel, smash that like button, show us all the love, subscribe. Scooby fam out, baby.